This tutorial review will show you how to add or change email signature in Gmail. So first of all, launch your Gmail and click on Settings. Click on See All Settings. And make sure to select here the General tab and scroll down. Here you'll find the signature field. And now from here you can change or edit your current signature. Just edit them from here. And to add a new signature, click on Create New. Give the signature name. Create. And now select the new one. And now you can write your signature here. And make sure to click on Save Changes. And that's how you can add and change email signature in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.